the prayer of every heart today. O Allah, the Lord of heavens and earth, O the most merciful, the most compassionate, we, your slaves, are helpless, desperate, bewildered, bemused, looking for, awaiting for your mercy, your leniency to fall upon on all of us. We confess, we admit our follies, our sins, our negligence, our arrogance, which made us forget the power, the authority, who is watching, observing, waiting, and granting the word a chance to think, to ponder, to improve, to refine. But we, being ignorant, unaware, took for granted your bounties, your blessings, overindulged in our lives, in our abodes. Hence, we, O the most merciful of the mercifuls, are tired of, are done for. Help us, save us, shower your favors, have your mercy, seize this epidemic, hold this disease, and this anxiety, grasp this fear. Heal our sick, cure our people, for you are the one, the alone, the healer, the curer. Ameen, Ya Rabbal Alameen.